So at this conference today, we're using a range of different video systems. The main one is primarily the backdrop LED video screen behind the conference stage. But in addition to that, we're using some overhead LED video panels. Now, while they're video screens, we're not really using them for showing content so much. It's more about creating an immersive environment. Often with a conference, we're sitting down and we're looking at one screen at the center of the stage, and it's quite a sort of boxed-in experience. And what we're trying to do these days is make this conference experience much more all-encompassing. So everywhere you look, you're feeling and experiencing the content, the color scheme, and the lighting that reflects the content. It's kind of getting the elements that you might be used to in things like a rock and roll show or even theater and bringing that to the conference world, so the whole program is much more engaging, but ultimately it gets your guests to remember more of the content they're taking in that day, which is ultimately what conferences and presentations are all about.